Filing taxes jointly for the first time can seem intimidating, but it does not have to be. To start, you will need to determine if you are eligible to file jointly. Generally, you can file jointly if you are married and both you and your spouse agree to file a joint return. You will need to gather all necessary documents, including your W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other relevant tax documents. You will also need your social security numbers and dates of birth. Next, you will need to choose a filing status. Since you are filing jointly, you will choose married filing jointly. You can file your taxes jointly using tax software or by working with a tax professional. If you choose to use tax software, you will need to create an account and provide the necessary information. The software will guide you through the process and help you claim deductions and credits. If you choose to work with a tax professional, they will guide you through the process and ensure that you are taking advantage of all eligible deductions and credits. Once you have completed your tax return, you will need to sign and date it. You will also need to include your spouse's signature if you are filing jointly. It is also important to note that when you file jointly, you are both responsible for the information on the return and any tax due. This means that if there is an error or issue with the return, you will both be held responsible. To avoid any issues, it is a good idea to review your return carefully before submitting it. Make sure all information is accurate and complete. You should also keep a copy of your return for your records. Filing taxes jointly for the first time can seem overwhelming, but by following these steps and seeking help when needed, you can ensure that you are taking advantage of all eligible deductions and credits and that you are in compliance with tax laws.